How to reset your Home Depot password. If you want to reset your Home Depot password, it's actually fairly simple for us to do so. What we have to do is, first of all, you can try to launch the Home Depot app, and this is the interface that you will be able to see. Then let's just wait until the app has loaded up and go to the Me section and go to the sign in button. Now, if you've forgotten your password, normally if you had remembered your password, you would enter your email address and your password and be able to log in without any sort of issues right there, and then you would just tap on the continue button. But then in case you forgot your password, you can simply go ahead and select that, and then you'll find the option called reset password in that case. So basically, if you have an account on this email, when you tap on continue and it asks you to enter the password, you'll find the option called forgot password. When you tap on it, you'll be able to enter the email address, so make sure you have got access to this email. It's going to send you a verification code, and after it's done sending the verification code, you can set a new password without having to remember your old password. So this way you can reset your Home Depot password. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.